नमस्कार। आप सभी लोग अपने अपने घरों पर सकुशल होंगे। इसी कामना के साथ वी हैव टू स्टार्ट आवर न्यू टॉपिक, दैट इज द dark reaction. But before that, we have to talk some points that we have already learned about the electron transportation or electron transport or the light reaction. Especially we have talked about the photosynthesis first phase, that is the photochemical phase, in which we have talked about the how the electron can be transported and how the splitting of water can be take place, how the photophosphorylation process will take place, and how these cycles, the photophosphorylation cycle, are become non-cyclic and the cyclic one. Even we have to know also the chemoosmotic hypothesis, means we have to know that how the development of the NADP H and the ATP formation over there, means this all process will take place especially directly into the thalocorides and the lumen of the thalocorides, where the H ions can be always helpful to synthesize all these system with the help of the photosystem second and photosystem first, in which we have to already learn. So students, we have to just move directly the another topic, that is most important topic, that is the light reaction, dark reaction. Dark reaction means the biosynthetic phases of the photosynthesis process, especially as this reaction, as its name itself explain, that directly we can say this phase does not require direct sunlight, but it can be always depends on the product of the light reaction, means as we all know that the product of the light reaction, that is the ATP and the NADPH, right? So due to those are the product of this light reaction, which can be utilized during the dark phases of over here, especially we can say the ATP and NADPH, right? Instead of that, carbon dioxide, water, which can be also leading for the development of the food in that particular conditions, or the development of the glucose or the sugars, as we already known that this is sugar or glucose is the first product of the photosynthesis. So we can say originally this process, the dark phase process, is also known as the carbon fixation or the photosynthetic carbon reductions or PCR cycle. Means we can say this is also acts like a PCR cycle, because during this particular condition the development of the or the utilization of the carbon dioxide will take place, which can be oxidized, and due to which it can also known as the photosynthetic carbon reductions cycle over there. We can say especially these are very sensitive for the temperature changes, means this process is will always depends on the changes of the temperature, right? Or which, and the temperature is always depend on the light. So this reaction or this phase of the photosynthesis is known as dark reaction. Sometimes the question can be asked, why it can happen, why it is known as the dark phase of the photosynthesis. So for that, उसलिए हम कह सकते हैं स्पेशली this phases or this reaction, especially which one, the photosynthetic carbon reduction cycle, it can be always sensitive to the temperature change, right? And but it is independent of the light. That's why we can say it is the dark reaction, or we can say it will always take place in the stroma of the chloroplast, right? And so the assimilation of carbon dioxide during the photosynthesis is the ways, especially if we can talk about the assimilation of the photosynthesis process will take place especially in two conditions. Number one is C3 pathways or C4 pathways, means these are the, this whole dark reaction can be complete up to with the help of the this assimilation of the carbon dioxide, which can be always take place with the help of two characters or two mechanisms. We can say that is the C3 pathways. Generally, if we talk about the C3 pathways, sometimes it is also known as the Calvin cycle. Especially in the C3 pathways, it can be always help to give the product of the carbon dioxide fixation as the C3 acetic acids. Especially you can say they are also known as, yes, anyway, generally they are also known as PGA. What about this PGA? क्या होता है PGA? हमने कभी सोचा? Especially if we talk about that this PGA is very important, means it can be always help for the formation of the phosphoglyceric acid, right? Means how the different components of the this help during the first phase of the Dye reaction, that is C3 pathways, especially as I told you, the assimilation of the carbon dioxide occurs during this photosynthesis, and that can be always fixations of the carbon dioxide into it will forms the C3 acid. That C3 acid is known as the phosphoglyceric acid, that is called PGA. On the other hand, there is another thing can also develop. Means if we talk about the C4 pathways, in that condition we can say, especially where the plant first of that carbon dioxide can be fixes and develop, that is C4 acid, or that is known as OAA acid. I think you are not familiar with the OO acid in that particular condition especially, right? So that is known as the oxalic acetic acid. Means हमें याद रखना है कि C3 pathways में there is a development of the PGA. PGA means generally the development of the 3-phosphoglyceric acid, but on the other hand in C4 pathways there is the production of the oxaloacetic acid OOA that will take place in that particular cell. So students, let's move to start directly that photosynthesis processes, means how that C3 pathways can be occurs. For that we have to know that generally the process of the photosynthesis start when the carbon dioxide accepted by the primary acceptors, which can be always came from the atmosphere, right? And what about that primary acceptor? In the case of that primary acceptor, there are 5 carbon ketone sugar, that is known as ribulose biphosphate or RUBP, right? So in that particular conditions it can capable to develop this Calvin cycle in that particular condition. For that we have to just take a quick part, especially if we talk about directly this cycle of biochemical pathways, that is CO2 synthetic, that is Calvin cycle. We can say Calvin cycle runs in all photosynthetic plants, means evenly they can show C3 or C4 or any other pathways, but still it can be occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast, or we can say the primary acceptors especially. So as we know that C3 pathways and C4 pathways, they are the especially always helpful for the development of the dark reactions of the photosynthesis. So there are lots of experiment can be take place for done for such a ways for the developing of this one. Evenly if we talk about the tribulose biphosphate RUBP, it can be always we can say the 5 carbon ketone sugar, or we can directly you can say 7, but still these C3 pathways can have, or the Calvin cycle can have the 3 main steps for the such process for the developing the this conditions. So there is a carboxylizations, reductions and regenerations, especially in the Calvin cycle. So let's begin with the first, that is the carboxylizations, means how this carboxylation process will take place over there. So as we all know that especially in the Calvin cycle, the fixation of the carbon dioxide molecule take place in the form of the carboxylation of the रिवर्स बाइफॉस्फेट और 5 कार्बन. मीन्स जनरली अगर आप रिएक्शन का या कैल्विन साइकिल का डायग्राम देखेंगे, अभी लास्ट में आपको दिखाता हूँ स्पेशली, राइट? तो इन दैट पर्टिकुलर कंडीशंस वी कैन से the carbon dioxide molecule can always help for the carboxylations of the reverse biphosphate, and due to this reaction there is a enzyme is needed. That enzyme is known as RUBP carboxylase, RUBP carboxylase enzyme, and finally they can be always help to formation of the 3 molecule of the phosphoglyceric acid, that is called 3-PGA, right? Means in that particular version it can be always helpful for the formation of the 3-PGA. with the help of an enzyme that is known as RUBP carboxylase enzyme, which can be always helpful for the formations of the two molecules of the 3-PGA, or directly you can say the phosphoglyceric acid. And as the RUBP carboxylase enzyme, it can be always help for the oxygenations, so it can be always commonly forms, or commonly it is known as the carboxylase oxygenase or ribose bisco. Sometimes it is also known like that one. So after that there is another process will take place, that is called the reductions, right? Means generally it can follow just after the carboxylations reactions, where the reduction of the pGA take place, and though this process will always take place in the series of the reaction leading to the formation of any glucose. मीन्स दिस रिडक्शन कैन बी पीछे का जो रिडक्शन होगा बिल्कुल सीरीज मैकेनिज्म में रहेगा, ताकि इट कैन बी ऑलवेज हेल्पफुल फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द ग्लूकोज, राइट? एंड the ATP, that is the energy source, and the NADPH, that the hydrogen atom carriers are utilized, means the consumption of the ATP and the NADPH, right? It is to be noted at that the 2 molecule of ATP and 2 molecule of NADPH are utilized in this step for the phosphorylation and for the reduction of the carbon dioxide both. Means generally in the both molecules of 2 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of the NADPH can be used for the reduction of the carbon dioxide as well as for the process of the phosphorylations. And due to that particular process there is a, especially we can say, the fixations of the 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and can be turns 6 turns to cycle, and it can be required in the order to release 1 molecule of glucose from the pathways. Means generally it can be always help to release the 1 molecule of glucose from this pathway. Evenly in the last there is another process, the another step of this C3 pathways, that is the regeneration, right? Means if we can talk about directly in the regeneration, as you can just see in the students, as we are talking about the carboxylation, you can just see over here, this is the carboxylation process. Means generally we can get this ribose 1,5-biphosphate or Ubisco biphosphate, which can be carboxylized with the help of this process. Means carbon dioxide can be just accepted from the atmosphere, and it can be converted that ribose biphosphate into the 3-phosphoglyceric acid. And after that the reductions process, in the reduction process, as I have already told you, that the ATP, 2 molecule of ATP and 2 molecule of NADPH can be breakdowns, and due to which it can be always helpful for the development of the sucrose or the starch or triose phosphate, that is phosphorylations process is called over. After that the last process, that is called the regeneration. Especially for the continuous and the uninterrupted functions of the Calvin cycle. There must be regular supply of the ATP, NADPH. So the sufficient amount of RUBP, reverse biphosphate, is required. The regeneration of RUBP's CO2 acceptor is complex process that can involve many types of the sugar, starting from the triose 3C, 3 carbonic atom, or the heptose 7Cs. Right? So we can say directly the regeneration step requires the ATP molecule for the phosphorylations, and hence for every carbon dioxide molecule that enters the Calvin cycle required 3 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of the NADPH. So this can be always helpful for the entering of the carbon dioxide and for the development of this Calvin cycle, which is very necessary over there. As I have already told you that you must follow or learn about this C3 pathways, especially these steps, right? Means as I have already told you in the last, the regeneration process में क्या होता है कि जो one molecule of ATP can again use, 2 molecules are utilized over here and 1 is over here. So 3 molecule of ATP and 2 molecule of NADPH can be utilized for the completion of the regeneration and the formation of this reverse biphosphate such a way so it can be always very helpful, right, for the formation of the glucose. Even we can say after this utilizing over the regenerations, the produce of one molecule of glucose through the Calvin pathways, that is 18 ATPs and 12 NADPS are required. This can be easily understood by the especially conditions. Suppose I will just give you one more thing. If we directly we can talk about if the 6 carbon dioxide molecule in but one glucose can be formed over there, so we can say 18 ATP, it can be changed into 18 ADP, can be just released over there. In the same way 12 NADPH can be go in, but there is a 12 NADP can be out. So such a way this process will take place over in the C3 pathways in the photosynthesis process or in the dark reactions. So students, you must complete up to here. In our next lecture we will talk about the C4 pathways. So you must prepare up to here. Thank you.